notre vidéo avec moi, votre aide français. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to introduce yourself in French step by step. So by the end of this video, you should be able to confidently say who you are, say where you're from, and a little bit about yourself, all in French. So grab a notebook, practice with me, and of course, hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one. Now, imagine for a moment you're in a French country and someone comes to you and say, Bonjour, comment tu t'appelles? What do you say? Don't worry, I've got you covered. So, to respond to the question, Comment tu t'appelles? You simply say, Je m'appelle, et votre nom, and your name. Okay? Par exemple, je m'appelle Khalil, ou je m'appelle Sarah, je m'appelle Adrien, ou quelque chose comme ça. Okay? So to respond to the question, comment tu t'appelles? We say, je m'appelle, and your name. Now the next step is asking someone where they're from and responding to the question as well. Okay? So to ask that question, we say, D'où viens-tu? D'où viens-tu? Where are you from? And to answer that question, we say, Je viens de, and the country. Okay? Je viens de, and the country. Par exemple, je viens de Jamaïque. Je viens des États-Unis. Je viens de Russe. Bien? Now, if you want to state your nationality as well, you say, Je suis, and your nationality. Par exemple, for example, Je suis jamaïcain. Now, if you're a female, you would say, Je suis jamaïcaine. Alright? Another example, je suis ou je suis américain, je suis américaine. To talk about your age, you say j'ai, your age, and then en. Par exemple, j'ai 20 ans. J'ai 18 ans. J'ai 27 ans. Bien? And to add more information about yourself, we can say, J'aime voyager. I like to travel. J'aime écouter de la musique. I like to listen to music. J'aime aller au cinéma. I like to go to the cinema. Okay, so now let's put all that information together. Okay? And I'm going to do my little introduction. Bien. Bonjour, je m'appelle Khalil. Je viens de Jamaïque et j'aime écouter de la musique et j'aime voyager. Voilà. C'est très simple, hein? Okay, so now it's your turn. So pause the video and introduce yourself out loud. Using this structure, of course, je m'appelle, je viens de, j'ai, en, j'aime. Alright? You can also write your introduction in the comments so that I can check it and give you some feedback. Fantastique! Now you know how to introduce yourself in French like a native. Now remember, keep practicing until it feels natural. Now if this video was helpful to you, leave a like, alright, as it really helps the channel so that other people can see this video and benefit just like you did. Now, if you haven't done so, subscribe as well so that you can keep seeing this video and hit the notification bell so that every time I post a video, you'll get it. Now, here's a little trivia. So, what's the first thing that you say when you meet someone in French? If you know, leave it in the comments below. So, merci beaucoup for watching and à bientôt for your next lesson en français.